Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are learning through these videos. Let's start Safety in the First Aid Part 5, Chapter 3. Now the topics which we are taking today are First Aid for Burns, and under this minor burns, severe burns and chemical burns we will discuss. One can suffer burns from hot objects, fire, steam, boiling water, crackers, electric points, and through chemicals. Now there are three levels of burns and we call them degrees of skin burn. First degree, second degree and third degree. As you can see in the picture, the first degree burns, they affect only the outer layer of the skin. They cause pain, redness and swelling. And the second degree burns, they affect both the outer and the underlying layer of skin. They cause pain, redness, swelling and blistering. And in the third degree burns, they are severe injuries and full thickness burns. First we have to discuss about the first aid for the minor burns. And they are very painful but can be treated at home. And the first step is, let running cold water flow over on the burn until the pain subsides. Second, apply an antiseptic lotion or cream to prevent infection. And the third, if an antiseptic lotion is not available, apply a paste of baking soda and water, or you can use aloe vera gel also. Now the few points about the severe burns. When the skin gets severely burnt, blisters are formed. Never try to prick a blister. An open blister is an open wound and it can catch infection. So be careful. Now the first aid for severe burns. First, gently cover the burn with a clean piece of cloth or a sterile gauze. Protect it from germs and dust. Second, if the victim is in a state of shock, give him a warm drink. Never try to give a liquid to any unconscious person. Third, dip a sterile piece of cloth in a solution of baking soda and use it as a wet compress. And the fourth, severe burns must be treated by doctor. So you should contact doctor. Now see here, these are the pictures of chemical burns. In the first picture, it is a chemical burn, and in the second picture, it is a burn by chemicals which is present in henna tattoos. So use the natural henna. Do not use these chemical based henna. Now the first aid for chemical burns. First step, remove any clothing from the affected area. Second, use of plenty of water to wash off the chemical. Third, cover the burn with sterile gauze and send for the doctor. Now let us discuss some points. In case there is a fire in a building, inform the nearest fire station. And in case of the fire caused by the petrol, put out the fire by throwing lots of sand. For fire brigade, you can call 101. These firefighters, they are trained for such type of emergencies. You might have visited to a petrol pump along with your parents and you have seen such type of buckets there. They are the sand buckets to put off the fire. Why we should not throw water on the fire caused by petrol? As you can see in the picture, this is because petrol being lighter than water, so floats above the water and keeps burning. Hence water will flare up the fire. Next topic is, if a person's clothes catch fire, do not allow him to run around in panic because this fans the flame. Make him roll on the ground. Then cover him with a thick blanket because cutting off the air supply helps to put out a fire. Now look in the picture, what you have to do at that time. First stop, drop, cover your eyes and roll on the ground. And while rolling you can shout, and you have to shout till your grown-up will come to you for help. Now if a fire has been caused by defective wiring or an electric gadget, what you have to do. Immediately turn off the main switch. Second, smother the fire by throwing sand. And in the last, use a fire extinguisher. Be careful. Do not throw water on fire caused by electricity. This may cause electrocution. What is electrocution? It is a severe injury or death by the electric shock, electric current passing through the body at that time. Being alert and prepared will help you avoid accidents and handle emergencies. Always keep this in your mind. So that's it for today, kids. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.